Hey kittens, so the following are phases I went through while recording.
Is it broke? Stressing me out. Take you until you get home. Hold on. I'm trying to do a thumbnail, y'all. It's gonna be a problem if I fall, y'all. It's gonna be a problem. Hey kittens, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe below. I would love to have you guys a part of the kitten family. So today I just wanted to do something lighthearted, something fun. And since Easter's coming around the corner, if and when, and even though we're quarantined, I just thought it would be a great idea to make some Easter bunny headbands. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all the fun supplies that I have, and I'm actually gonna take you guys through the process that I am going to be going through to create my headbands, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I got this headband. Isn't it cute, y'all? And it has like the rainbow. And then I got these basic ones. And they're supposedly Easter bunny ones. I thought Easter's ears, Easter's ears. I thought bunny ears were a little different than this, but girl, here we go. And I got me some pom-poms, girl. Got this also from Dollar Tree, I'm sorry. So I got this neon-y one. If neon is a word, I don't know. Look it up for me, let me know. Put it down in the comments. And then I got this more basic type colors. So I got my little glue gun. I just thought this would just be a simpler and easy way to go ahead and attach everything. And then I don't know if I'm gonna use this because this is for another project that I'm gonna do. But anyway, so it's kind of like rainbow fur. It's faux fur, y'all. I love my animals. Final product is this glitter tape. And I'm pretty sure I got this from the Dollar General, and it's gold. So yeah, so those are all of my materials. I'm about to try and open this. Girl, I should've got some scissors. How am I gonna open these? Also, I should mention, y'all, I am not a professional. So this, like what I'm about to do is completely out of my element. Like my mom is a crafter, a baker, a scrapbooker, a seamstress. My mom is like jack of all trades. I'm not that person. I can do like video stuff, and I can do stuff on Canva, girl, and I can plan stuff. But this actual like crafty work, this is kind of like out of my element. I just want to let y'all know. But I'm just doing this for fun, so I hope y'all enjoy. And yeah, here we go. Wait, is it broke? Oh my gosh, is it broke? I told y'all I'm not that crafty. So while I'm trying to get my life together over here, I hope you guys are relaxing while we are in quarantine. I'm an introvert by default, so quarantine, that doesn't really bother me. And y'all know I just started getting into freelancing. So unfortunately, that kind of came to a halt right now since, you know, we can't be but in so many numbered groups. And I just realized I really need some scissors because I ain't gonna be able to cut this. I'm gonna go borrow Sean's. Don't tell him, it's a secret. I'll be back. Okay. So, again, y'all. So I plan on taking this glitter tape and just wrapping it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm getting so excited. Oh, who am I? Okay, here we go. I guess I should measure how long I need it, right? But I want it a little longer just in case. So I'm gonna just cut it right here. And I guess I should do the other one too while I'm at it. Think smarter, not harder. Hey, okay? Boom. So I got my two pieces right here. Cross for Jesus, because it's about to be Easter. Is it broke? If it's broke, okay, no, I got it. Okay. Mama, if you're watching, look at me working a glue gun by my lonesome. Party over here. I'm gonna cut this one in half. And then and y'all, I'm not the best cutter. I actually hate cutting stuff because literally stuff will be crooked if I cut it. Like I'm the worst. I have glitter everywhere, by the way. So if you buy this glitter tape, buy Art Skills from Dollar General, you're gonna need glitter everywhere. On your hands, on your shirt, on the desk, in your hair, everywhere. All right, here we are. So you want to put the tape along the length of the headband. Okay, I just wish I had an accent. Y'all know I don't have no accent. I just wish I did. So whatever. All right. So I just put the tape here. Oh my gosh, it's crooked. See? Mama, this is crooked. Maybe I cut it crooked. Y'all know how I am. Y'all think I'm lying about this glitter? You see me glistening? Girl. So I got frustrated with the rainbow unicorn hormone. So I'm gonna go back to that one. We're gonna table that one, girl. We're gonna keep that real cute right on that table, just laying it like that, right? And then I'm just gonna work on these. So the ones that I got also from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna just try to put some pom-poms. Let me tell y'all what I'm thinking, okay? Let me tell you what I'm thinking up in my brain, you know? See, I've been watching too many people from Toronto that are Jamaican or African, and then I pick up the accent because I think it sounds beautiful. Anyway, so I'm thinking for these ears specifically, I can put pom-poms around it. Here we go. This is staple. Good thing I have Sean scissors. Gosh. See? Look. I told y'all I hate cutting. That's a terrible cut job. No see it now, girl, but when I put on the pom-poms, what you guys gonna be perfecto. Okay? Alright, girl, wait. Okay. Y'all know me, y'all know the rainbow colors. So, these are my pom-poms. Ooh, pom-poms, yay. So I got all my pom-poms, girl. And so, let me show y'all real quick. But that's basically how I want it to look. I think that would look really cute. Yeah, kittens, I'm gonna try, test this thing out, show y'all after it's done, unless it don't look good. And I will check back. Can't do this and don't do that. Shout it, need a refund. Okay, here we go. Yes. All right, now we're gonna do the yellow. These yellows look a little, I got like a Dollar Tree. I can't see much against it. If you ask me, girl, it's cute. So I just did that side, and now I'm gonna go back over this side with the green and then the blue. What's in y'all way? Oh, the star. Sorry. It's a mess. I'm sorry. Marylanders they don't listen. They still do what they want to do. I'm like, where are you going? What can you do? Everything's closed. Every time I get bleach wipes, this stuff be stocked. Okay, like don't nobody buy it. And then now, everybody want to buy it. I'm taking a cotton ball. So just one cotton ball. And then I'm taking my glue gun, putting like a small little dot on my cotton ball. Hope y'all can see that. Or my pom-pom. I'm saying cotton ball, y'all. And then I'm taking my headband, which y'all can see is cute, girl. It's cute. And I'm putting that the same place where the dot is. I'm placing that part on the front of the headband. And I'm gonna hold it there for a few seconds. And then I'm gonna let it go. And it's gonna keep like obviously drying the longer it sits on the headband. But yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. This is easy, girl. I got this. Now that tape thing I thought was gonna be cute, stressing me out. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Thank you. This is so cute. It's literally so cute. Okay, so here we go. Hi. So I wish I had like some rhinestones, some type of shine, some type of bling, girl, to just make it pop, you know, just pop, just like that. But I don't know, it's gonna work with what I got. But I think this is so cute. That is so cute. I really might wear this on Easter, like for real. I thought I was gonna wear the rainbow unicorn one, but this one it's cute. People that are like serious crafters are probably like, girl, you ain't doing nothing. That look like trash. It's crooked, it's dusty, it's dirty. Like they probably thinking, ew, girl. But I'm proud of my cute little Dollar Tree craft, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna probably keep going. Try this unicorn home one again, girl, I don't know. But okay. So I'm thinking about doing like rainbow like this. So kind of like blue, green, yellow, pink, blue, green, yellow, pink. But I'm gonna do it on both sides the same instead of it being different. finished 2 of my headbands. I think I'm gonna just do these 2, girl, because I feel like them other 2, I'm just losing my creativity and I'm feeling lazy. But I just finished these 2. Honestly, I think I like this one more because it's way more, in my opinion, multicolored. Now I'm gonna try and go back to this unicorn horn one because I've been trying to avoid it, but girl, I need to do something about this. Let me start. Hold up. Okay. I might need to glue it. Boom. Okay, that's better. So here we go. So now I'm about to do the other side. So first, I'm gonna just line this up, and I kind of taper it off at the end since the headband does the same. Okay, so I have the tape on there. So now what I'm about to do is this exposed part, I'm gonna just line that with glue. So with my hot glue gun, and then just fold it into the headband. Those things so take you until you get home. Okay. Okay, yes, yes, yes. I'm getting excited, y'all, yes. Ooh, that was hot. Dang, I can feel it through this glue. I mean, through this glue. Through this tape. Okay, kittens, I think I am about done with all the crafting that I'm gonna do today, girl, because now I'm hungry. It's like 2:45 or something. I'm about to get real hungry. And I have gold on this side, and then I did the same to the other. And yeah, I think this is cute now. I love gold. Gold just does something for me. So anyway, kittens, I'm gonna get cleaned up and eat lunch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Y'all don't even understand. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so, kittens, and I will check back in later with you guys. Please stay safe. I love you all. Adios.